Alright, so this will be a video about some Vim tip, specifically 2 or 3. One heads up, if you hear that the honking of car sound catch in this video and the hammer on the concrete, so you should think that there is some activity going outside which I have no control over. Okay, so you have to ignore that sound. Honking is a serious kind of disease in the country I'm living. People honk their car without any reason. Anyway, so this is, as I said, I'll be showing 2-3 tricks what I personally used on Vim to give you some sort of demonstration. Let me spawn up a terminal and moving to a designated place. Let us zoom in so people can see. Say I have an arbitrary file in my home directory where I am in. This is a ordinary HTML file, right? And if I get into this, I can see there are n number of URLs embedded in this HTML file, and for some reason I wanted to take a peek on the URL provided there. So I have a bind which I use leader, which is a semicolon in my system. Leader, and you see it show me a nice enlisting of URL which has been found in this particular file where I am in. So all I did, I pressed leader and U to bring up this URL. Okay, so if I select any number, 69 for some arbitrary reason, press enter and go ahead and open the website in a specific browser. Okay, so my system is lagging, so please bear with me. Oh dear Lord, it's taking so much time. Why? My goodness. Oh, it is open here. Sorry, I should have. It is open here. Okay, so somewhere else. So the basic idea is that you can see it will enlist the URL. Let me cancel it. So all I did, leader and U, which will basically enlist all the URL in the particular file you are visiting, like the one I'm visiting right now. Okay, so I'm using a script called URL view. Okay, this is a simple script which I have found somewhere, I don't know where, but I have inducted. It's written by this person, you can see, and inducted it basically allow you to enlist all the URL in a specific file what you are visiting. So it makes things very easy to if the file contains so many URLs and you want to enlist them, and then putting the specific number beside it to go to that specific website in the browser, as you saw. So this is not a too big one, and I forgot the source where I get it, but I got it on somewhere on the internet. So, and I like the idea, so I thought it saved some of my effort to write a new plugin for this or new function for this kind of stuff. So I inducted it many months ago. So I thought to show you this one So whoever using file inside Vim with lots of URL in it, they can easily enlist the URLs, whatever the file they are visiting, and open it with a simple keystroke. Okay, this is one. The next one will be something. I have opened a file, and if I write one, okay, I go back to the control mode. I just write the letter 1. As you can see, this is the highlighted cursor. If I want to increment this number, just Control A. See, it's incrementing the number. Every Control A I'm pressing, it's incrementing the number, right? Likewise, if I press Control X, see, it's decrementing the number. I'm hoping you are seeing it properly, right? So my cursor is highlighted with a number. If I wanted to increment that number from 2 to 3 onwards, all I have to do Control A, it's incrementing the number. Useful, right? If you want to change the date or month, something like that, you could easily just point your cursor to that specific number and press Control A to increment and Control X to decrement, right? Say you have a month or year or date or some other numerics you want to increment or decrement, Control A and Control A to increment, Control X to decrement. Handy if your workflow is involved in that kind of stuff. Okay, so I have shown you two typical thing in Vim. So if you the first one I shown to you, that how you can enlist the URL in a specific file with a script URL view, as I shown to you, and the second one is Control A and Control X to increment and decrement the numerics in the file in Vim. Okay, so I hope what I'll do, I'll give you the link of this particular script, and I probably upload it to some of my repository, so you can fetch it from there and integrate it. Okay, so I found these things are useful for me because I personally use it. That's why I'm making this video. So if you like it, use it. If you don't like it, don't bother it. As simple as that. Okay, thanks for watching.